Hi guys, this is Niella and you are welcome to another video on my channel. So today's video is on this eyeshadow look I have here. It's been a while since I did colorful makeup eyeshadow looks, and this is look, I don't know, maybe 10. But if you want to see how I'm able to achieve this colorful eyeshadow look for dark skin women, please keep watching, and you know the drill, don't go anywhere. And if you're yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button while you're watching this video and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new post whenever I put up new videos on my channel. So guys, let us create this bomb eyeshadow look. So guys, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in creamy beige and fawn to act as an eyeshadow base. This is just to give my eyeshadow something to stick to. Fun. With my fair gold face kit gear, and I'm going to be using the shade in Toffee to set my concealer. This is just to prevent it from creasing. It's been a while I filmed, like it's really been a long while I sat down to film a video, so this is so much fun. This color I'm going to be using is from my House of Tara Margaret Echo palette, and I'm going to be using my pointed crease brush to apply the first color. And the first color is going to be like this light orange here, then I'm going to transition into this burnt orange color here. So I'm just patting this color gently. So I'm switching brushes, going in with the burnt orange shade. So guys, I'm going in with this very dark pink shade, and I think this is a fuchsia pink. I'm going to be using this, or magenta. I'm going to be using this with the same brush, just gently to tap around. To soften everything out and to blend. So I'm going to be oh my god, I can't even feel. I'm going to be going in with a clean brush and this bright yellow color here. This is just to soften all the colors I used. And I'm just blending everything all together. I'm going to be cutting my crease.